Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to summarize 101 Ways to Transform Your Life by Earl Nightingale. 101 Ways to Transform Your Life by Earl Nightingale is a comprehensive guide for personal growth and development. The book contains practical and actionable advice to help readers cultivate positive habits, mindset, and behaviors that can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life. The 101 Ways cover various areas such as self-awareness, goal setting, time management, financial management, relationships, and more. Overall, the book is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their life and achieve their full potential. Here is the full list. 1. Define your goals and make plans to achieve them. 2. Cultivate a positive attitude and mindset. 3. Take full responsibility for your life and actions. 4. Learn from failure and setbacks. 5. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. 6. Build strong relationships with others. 7. Develop self-discipline and self-control. 8. Continuously learn and grow. 9. Practice gratitude and appreciation. 10. Take care of your physical and mental health. 11. Cultivate a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. 12. Develop the habit of setting priorities and managing your time effectively. 13. Be proactive and take action towards your goals. 14. Practice effective communication and active listening. 15. Learn to adapt to change and be flexible. 16. Visualize success and use affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs. 17. Take calculated risks and be willing to try new things. 18. Be persistent and determined in the face of obstacles. 19. Learn to handle stress and manage your emotions. 20. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. 21. Take care of your appearance and present yourself well. 22. Practice self-reflection and introspection. 23. Avoid procrastination and make the most of each day. 24. Focus on continuous improvement and personal growth. 25. Be honest and ethical in all your interactions and decisions. 26. Cultivate a sense of humor and learn to laugh at yourself. 27. Practice forgiveness and let go of negative emotions. 28. Set high standards for yourself and strive for excellence. 29. Develop a growth mindset and embrace challenges and failures. 30. Find your passion and pursue it with enthusiasm. 31. Learn to say no and set boundaries. 32. Practice active problem solving and critical thinking. 33. Develop empathy and understanding towards others. 34. Seek out mentors and learn from their experiences. 35. Take action towards financial freedom and independence. 36. Invest in yourself and your personal development. 37. Practice moderation and balance in all areas of your life. 38. Embrace your creativity and express yourself through art, music, or writing. 39. Cultivate a sense of adventure and explore new places and experiences. 40. Learn to be assertive and stand up for yourself. 41. Develop a sense of gratitude for everything in your life. 42. Be open-minded and willing to learn from different perspectives. 43. Practice effective problem-solving and decision-making skills. 44. Develop the habit of reading and continuous learning. 45. Learn to handle criticism and use it constructively. 46. Practice empathy and understanding towards others. 47. Stay true to your values and beliefs, even in challenging situations. 48. Learn to delegate and collaborate with others. 49. Practice effective time management and productivity strategies. 50. Find a balance between work and leisure in your life. 51. Take responsibility for your own happiness and well-being. 52. Focus on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. 53. Develop the habit of daily exercise and physical activity. 54. Learn to manage your finances effectively. 55. Practice effective communication and conflict resolution. 56. Find a mentor or coach to guide and support you. 57. Take action towards achieving financial security and stability. 58. Practice patience and perseverance in the face of challenges. 59. Develop a positive self-image and practice self-love. 60. Build strong and meaningful relationships with your loved ones. 61. Learn to listen to and trust your intuition. 62. Embrace your strengths and work on improving your weaknesses. 63. Find a sense of purpose in your work and career. 64. Develop a mindset of abundance and gratitude. 65. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder towards the world. 66. Practice effective stress management techniques. 67. Set healthy boundaries and learn to say no when necessary. 68. Cultivate a sense of community and volunteer your time and skills. 69. Practice effective networking and relationship building skills. 70. Embrace your creativity and express yourself in different ways. 71. Learn to be more adaptable and flexible in your approach to life. 72. Set realistic and achievable goals for yourself. 73. Take action towards building a fulfilling and meaningful life. 74. Develop the habit of lifelong learning and personal growth. 75. Find a sense of balance and harmony in all areas of your life. 76. Develop a strong work ethic and take pride in your work. 77. Practice effective time management and organization skills. 78. Find a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. 79. Cultivate a positive and optimistic outlook on life. 80. Build a support network of family and friends. 81. Develop a strong sense of self-awareness and self-reflection. 82. Learn to appreciate the beauty of nature and the world around you. 83. Develop a sense of empathy and understanding towards others. 84. Practice effective goal setting and planning. 85. Be open to feedback and constructive criticism. 86. Find ways to give back and contribute to your community. 87. Practice effective problem solving and decision making skills. 88. Develop a sense of resilience and perseverance. 89. Stay committed to your values and beliefs. 90. Focus on building strong and healthy relationships. 91. Learn to manage your emotions and reactions effectively. 92. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the little things in life. 93. Stay true to your word and follow through on your commitments. 94. Take care of your physical health and well-being. 95. Find ways to continuously challenge and stretch yourself. 96. Practice effective self-care and stress management techniques. 97. Learn to be present and mindful in each moment. 98. Build a strong support system of like-minded individuals. 99. Continuously strive to improve and learn from your experiences. 100. Take time to rest and recharge when needed. 101. Practice kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. Thanks for watching. To read the full version of the book, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for similar content.